So, we got the El Camino on the porch. We got that gem over there. Gotta get this old motor out. Come check this thing out.
I'm still laughing about him saying that he's out here in Crocs and socks motor swapping at El Camino. That he feels pretty something or another. I don't know what word to use.
Stuff right there. We gotta get this motor out, that motor in. We're gonna repaint the engine bay and freshen everything up while we're in there. But yeah, see how quickly I can do this.
I'm not really helping. I'm just standing out here watching, just supervising, all the above.
The Corvette radiators, but I think it's too big.
Too big?
Corvette radiator. I'm gonna try it. This radiator's pretty bad.
Okay, so I'm back out here videoing Nick again. Unfortunately, he had to take the front bumper off to be able to get the engine hoist far enough over the motor. If we had had a bigger engine hoist, it'd be a different story.
I'm gonna have to take the front clip off.
So, see what we're working with. Oh, here's the old 305. If anybody needs a 305, come get it for 200 bucks. It runs, starts up, idles, no problems. Only problem is it's a 305. Paint flat.
Yeah. It's weird on this engine. I was surprised by it. It's internally balanced, so it doesn't have the harmonic damper on it.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's crazy. I'm on my 4th wire wheel today. This one's already beaten the other ones. I mean, I went until there was no wire on them.
That's
And,
crazy.
A lot of wire wheeling.
A lot of cleaning the parts.
Oh yeah. I know.
Nice little dipstick bracket he just made.
I don't even want him here anyway. don't know what to do with this 305 in the way.
Old motors in the way.
I gotta jack the motor.
Okay guys, so here we are. It's the next morning. Nick worked on this all day yesterday. He got the motor in. He's got it on the motor mounts. He's got it all bolted up to the transmission. So today he's just got to hook everything up, the radiator in, put the carb on, and I'm pretty sure he'll probably, if I let him stay home from work today, I'm joking, he's not staying home from work today, but he'll have the car running hopefully by this evening. It's like 6 in the morning right now. I'm just waking up, came outside to see that he had it all finished. So guys, hopefully you liked this video. Continue to follow along, keep an eye on this car. If you liked it, please hit like and hit subscribe to stay tuned to everything else we have coming up here in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, guys.